What does the term listing agent refer to in real estate? An agent who represents the seller and lists the property for sale. What is a dual agency in real estate? When two agents from the same brokerage represent both the buyer and the seller in a transaction. What is a landlord's agent in a real estate transaction? An agent who represents the landlord in a lease agreement. What does the term closing disclosure refer to in a real estate transaction? A final accounting of all costs and fees associated with the loan and closing process. What is a title insurance in real estate? Insurance that protects the lender against any title defects that may arise after the purchase. What does the term closing costs refer to in a real estate transaction? Fees and expenses associated with completing a real estate transaction.